Hi guys! Kaelux sent me their G4D detachable massage gun, and today I'll show you what's included and how it all goes together. Inside the box, you'll find the massage gun with the ball head already installed, the detachable extension arm, a USB-C charging cable, an instruction manual, plus 3 additional massage heads. You get a bullet head, a flat head, and a U-shaped head for different muscle groups. To install the extension arm, press the release button, separate the handle, attach the extension, and reconnect the handle. It locks securely into place and gives you extra reach for those harder to access areas. To turn it on, press and hold the power button. Use the second button to cycle through the different intensity levels. The charging port is located on the bottom of the handle. Connect the included USB-C cable and plug it into your charger. The display shows the charging status, so you can easily see that the battery is charging. Once it's fully charged, disconnect the cable and it's ready to use. Changing massage heads is quick. Pull the current head straight off, press the new one firmly into place, and you're ready to go.